Summer AUC is a program that invites students from all over the world to experience AUC and engage in academic and social experiences. It includes two programs, one of which is the pre-college program, which is called College Bound AUC. This program is specifically catered for high school students entering grades 10 to 12. All courses offered in this program are credit courses that are transferable when students eventually enroll in university. The other program is the Summer AUC Bootcamps program, and this program offers intensive courses that are non-credit.
I didn't just learn from the project. I learned from when we took lessons like about we need to eat 6 kind of stuff every day because our body to be better when we get bigger. What I learned from the project that it's better to have healthier stuff than unhealthy stuff on the menu.
For the course itself, it's really informative. I've learned so much, and this is only the 4th day. For example, we've just learned about how how podcasts work and how sound studios and all that. I think that's like one of my favorite things that I've learned so far.
I chose this summer course because I'm currently a senior, a political science major, and I'm going to do my research project next semester, and I wanted to make sure that my project would follow the fundamentals of research. So that's when I came across the course and I decided to join.
I'm originally from New York, and my dad came to AUC a long time ago for a semester abroad, and I decided to come to College Bound because I wanted to learn a new language, and we also hadn't been back to Egypt in around 5 years. So I thought this would be a great opportunity for me to do both, to come back to Egypt and learn a new language.